శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 547th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 44th and 45th chapters. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, in Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yaga assembly, Sisupala accusing Bhishma like this, insulting Bhishma like this, O Bhishma, thinking that this Krishna is the master of entire universe, you are saying so many great words about him. Krishna is not supposed to be worshipped by anyone. You know what? Kadham bhojasya purushe vargapale duratmani samaveshayase sarvam jagat kevalakamyaya. This Krishna is the servant of Kamsa. This Krishna is the protector of Kamsa's cows. But what you are doing with the selfish mode, you are attaching this Krishna to the entire universe, saying that Krishna is the master and protector of entire universe. O Bhishma, it seems you lost your mind. You are saying so many things in this assembly by which all these kings are getting so mad at you. You know that, but you are still doing. Nobody can find someone like you in this world who is so foolish. Like that, when Sisupala said, Bhishma Pitamaha saying like this, O kings, look at Sisupala, how he is talking. He is saying that I am living on all of your mercy. No, I don't care any one of you. Like that, when Bhishma said, for Bhishma's words, some of the kings felt happy, some of the kings did not like what Bhishma said. Some of the kings felt like it is disgusting. And those who were not happy with Bhishma's words, they says this Bhishma is talking all this with a huge amount of arrogance. Come on, Hanyatam Durmatir Bhishmaha Pasuvat Sadvayam Rupaha. Let us all together kill this Bhishma, just like killing one animal. Let us all put fire to this Bhishma. Like that, when all the kings were saying, some of the kings were saying, Bhishma said, come on, if you are all saying like that, I do not want to answer any one of you for your questions. It will have no end. Now I am ready. Come on, whoever wants to come and fight with me, come. Whoever wants to kill me, come. Whoever wants to put fire to me, come on. And also here, Yesha Tishtati Govindaha Pujitaha Asmabhirachitaha. Right here Sri Krishna is there, whom we worship a lot. If all of you are very much in rush to get into mouth of death, come on, fight with this Chakra Gadadhara Sri Krishna. He is going to consume all of you into him. Like that Bhishma saying. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.